Hey guys, this is Developer Dude, and today in this video we are going to discuss about HTML attributes. HTML attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name-value pairs like name and value. href attribute. The A tag defines a hyperlink. The href attribute specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. src attribute. The image tag is used to embed an image in an HTML page. The src attribute specifies the path to the image to be displayed. Alt attribute. The required alt attribute for the image tag specifies an alternate text for an image if the image for some reason cannot be displayed. This can be due to slow connection or an error in the src attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. Width and height attribute. The image tag should also contain the width and height attribute, which specify the width and height of the image in pixels. Style attribute. The style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size, and more. This is a red paragraph. Lang attribute. You should always include the lang attribute inside the HTML tag to declare the language of the web page. This is meant to assist search engines and browsers. Country codes can also be added to the language code in the lang attribute. So the first two characters defines the language of the HTML page and the last two characters defines the country. Title attribute. The title attribute defines some extra information about an element. The value of the title attribute will be displayed as a tooltip when you mouse over the element. Let's do it practically. Create an anchor tag. Write href attribute. Enter your destination link. I'm entering here youtube.com. Click here the content between anchor tag. By clicking on this, you will redirect to your destination link. So let's click it. So we are redirected to youtube.com. Now remove this text. Now create an image tag. Create attribute src. Paste your image link here. Here you can see the image. So this is the way you can add image on your web page. Now this is the alt attribute. If there is an error on your web page and the picture is not showing, so instead of that picture, this text will show there at the place of image. Let's see width attribute. Through this you can change the width of this image. This is 200 pixel. Yes, so here the image width got changed to 200 pixel, and this is height attribute, so you can change your picture's height 500 pixels. So we discussed 4 attribute: src attribute, alt attribute, width attribute, height attribute. Now delete this code. Now write a p tag, and the content is this is developer dude. Here we are discussing another attribute, which is style attribute, which used to style your text. So property is color, and the color is red. So this attribute will change the text color to red. Remove these columns. Now save it. Yes, you can see the text color changed to red. This is the style attribute. If you don't use CSS file, you can use this style attribute to style your web page. This is the langue attribute.
Thanks for watching.